A multi-tiered approach to chronic asthma problems. Asthma affects 5-year-olds, 100-year-olds, rich people, and poor people alike. Going to the doctor is, of course, the appropriate first step, but you should also be vigilant about paying attention to signs that may mean your condition is worsening. In this article, you will find a variety of different techniques that you can use to help conquer your asthma symptoms and lessen the chances of having an attack. Cleaning products can trigger an asthma attack, so try to keep your exposure to them to a minimum. Cleaning products contain a plethora of chemicals that are triggered to exacerbating symptoms related to asthma, as well as the attacks themselves. When you are tidying your home, consider using natural products that are effective for cleaning rather than traditional cleansers. Certain prescription medications have the potential to cause asthma symptoms. A couple of common culprits that do this are aspirin and NSAIDs. Common medications used for controlling high blood pressure oftentimes contain beta blockers, which asthmatics may be more sensitive to. Make sure your physician is aware of all of your chronic conditions and any medications you are on so they can treat your asthma appropriately. Exhale forcefully. If you have moderate asthma attacks, exhale forcefully, so that you force air from your lungs. Breathe out fast and hard. Force all the air out of the lungs. Inhale in 3 short breaths and 1/4 deeper breaths so that your lungs are comfortably full of air, then exhale forcefully again. Breathing in this rhythmic manner helps you to concentrate on the breaths you're taking. In addition, it repeatedly empties your lungs of air, so that you can draw in more oxygen-rich air. There may be periods of harsh coughing and a substantial generation of sputum, but this is actually what you want in order to get the airways open and the breathing back on a regular pattern. Make sure you use the inhaler in the proper, prescribed method. Find a quiet, secluded area so that you can calmly take the inhaler as directed by the instructions from the manufacturer. Proper use delivers the medication to your lungs. As you are inhaling air, spray the correct dosage in your mouth. Holding your breath for a minimum of 10 seconds gives the medicinal mist from the inhaler time to spread itself throughout your lungs. You should ensure that every family member in your household gets a flu vaccine yearly. If you suffer from asthma, it is best to avoid respiratory infections of any type as much as possible. The easiest way to start is by performing routine hand washing, limiting your touching of surfaces while in public places, and getting vaccinations recommended by your doctor. If you suffer from asthma and do not smoke, make sure to avoid people who do smoke. You can suffer an asthma attack if you are around cigarette smoke because it makes your lungs function poorly. You are even more exposed to an attack when the smoke is in a closed-in room or area. Asthma is nothing to kid around about. Keeping your asthma under control can literally mean the difference between life and death because attacks can be fatal. Always have an emergency inhaler on you at all times, and try decreasing the number of allergens and airborne dust in your home. You are likely to see some improvement in these asthma-related symptoms if you take the time and follow the advice given in the following tips. To read full article, click the link in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.